Today's Wednesday, April 10th. These are the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado headlamp cover doors specific to 1967. Yes, there is a difference between the 1967 and the 1968 variants. These are the 1967 full-body headlamp cover doors. The units have been totally restored, re-blackened, and all the bright work polished, and they're in absolutely beautiful show quality condition. These units will be going to my friend Jerry Gudloff in Russia, along with brand new vacuum actuator canisters that are activators for the cover doors and the swinging swivel mechanism, as well as the brushed aluminum bezels for the headlight bulbs and the rings and the buckets. So these units are in absolutely beautiful condition. I'll go ahead and zoom up on them. And these will be going out to Jerry in Russia as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 Eldorado. And I also rebuild the steering wheels, restore the steering wheels and the steering columns, power seat mechanisms, and all of the components for the Hide-a-Way flip-up, flip-down headlamp cover system. Thank you very kindly. Today is April 10th.